plenty people, they expect gospel artists, pastors, people, preachers in the house, they expect them to be perfect. They expect them to be without sin. They expect them to make them not drop cup for ground. They expect everything to be okay with them. Like what you talk, you say you need to follow the line of godliness. So I just want to ask you, or you get anything to tell the people there will get this idea? You need to change their perception about what they think about religious leaders and also gospel artists?
Okay. Well, first of all, say person giving life to Christ or become born again, understand first of all that he probably became born again when he was 18 or 30. You understand? So he's been doing a lot of stuff. Now body, now flesh, you understand? The body don't used to certain things when they do before. So immediately when you get born again, yeah, you know me say those things don't go still there. You understand what I'm saying? But over time, because the first thing that changed is his spirit. You understand what I'm saying? So in mind, don't change now, you understand? So it would take that same, it would take the process, you understand, to take it out of, people they talk say to get out of a bad habit is to develop another habit. You have to develop another habit to get out of one habit. If you don't, you will just struggle. That's a strong thing. You know, that kind of thing. So I think it takes people time. They will get out of it, you know. And then the fact say, okay, you can't become pastor, doesn't, honestly, if you make mistake, and then he will get better.
Yeah, you'll get better. Why you get question?
You will get better.
People think, say, because you become celebrity, everything they perfect, like she say, everything now fine and dandy. But you get some point in your life where everything just looks, say, you know, they move. Or you get that particular time where things are difficult for you. Right. I want me to throw away that kind of thing and how you can't come out from that experience.
Well, me, I don't experience something like that before, where everybody just be like, say, the whole world was against me. I wrote a song, I called it Pray For Me. The song, okay, let me tell you why I wrote the song. For this our Nigeria, you get one, the days when these soft sell magazines, when they were selling a lot. So there's this celebrity lady that they go cover her wedding. Put the lady in front of their mag, say you don't marry. Now, like 1 year after, the same magazine, they carried the same woman for her wedding gown, say her wedding don't hit the rocks. I felt bad when I see the thing. I say, this is how we run down our celebrities. Okay? We use their marriage to amuse our audience.
Yes.
Marriage is not a public performance. Everybody get your own for body. You get your own for house. Your wife, they happy with you. Your husband, they happy with you. Why not put them for your magazine? But now another person own, now you go carry. And that way, what they do be say, they put pressure on top the marriage, where they try settle themselves. You understand? Come put pressure on top of them. You see, which I want. So now you make me write that song. For that song, I talk, say, pray for me, stand with me. I'm going to a place I've never been. Everybody that's a celebrity is going to a place it's never been. Fame is a strange land. Nobody has been there until you get there. When you get there, now you go know your true behavior. You understand? Some things go come out of you, you no go know. You understand? You don't have money until you have money. When you get money,
I think you go understand.
Now you go understand now. You understand? Before when you did poor, you go, you say, all these rich people, they only help a person. You get the money first.
I tell you.
Another time you go know.
Another time you go know.
Jesus is Lord.
I tell you, you need to stay there until you as if you testify. Wow. All right, Betiana.
You don't already ask the question, but
tweets.
make I ask some. Make I read some of the tweets where people don't descend. Die-hand believing fan. To say I don't read this one for actually enter me. It's Toby in say, ladies, please. What's Mike Abdul's Twitter handle? I need to tap into this anointing small. So your Twitter handle?
My Twitter handle is Mike Abdul NG.
Okay. At Overskills and say, Choi, Michael Abdul on top on our show today. Now, epitome of perfection on our combination not be here. I don't learn a lot from today's show. Another person still they talk again. He say the person use sing. He sing say, I know you've been singing that song before. He say, oh shit, Mr. Abdul in the building. I am going to be a pastor.
That song is
Princess
actually...
Suri?
Yes, sir.
Get ready.
Okay, make I not talk to her.
And then another person they talk, Mustafa 2032 in say, I like this your talk. Thanks Abong. Reserve, we like you, wella. At G Juwonlo, okay, this one are later readings. Yeah. This one are later readings. Everything we consign Mike Abdul, I don't talk about.
All right, before you actually come on, we could do our cocoa of the day. Now, cocoa of the day now like topic of the day.
Okay.
And so you could just put your mouth inside and before you actually come up for inside the studio. Now, our cocoa of the day be say, what thing you go do if your partner slap you in public?
I like that, Nari,
Why can't you give me 5? Yeah, you're in emotion with me, in fact.
So what you go do, Awa?
I never answer your question.
Wait, no. A man is still a man. You say my spouse, someone.
Yes.
Fine. Publicly, nothing they happen. You be the man. When we enter house, that's all.
What will you do in the house?
That's between me and you. Future husband, I know you shall not do that, but
I want to get gone, no.
I should get license.
I like AK-47 Uzis. They're my kind of thing. That's all.
All right, Betty Anna first.
I could just walk away because really I don't know what I want to do for outside. Even when I reach inside, I don't know what I want to do. But the silent treatment I could give you, you shall know the truth,
and the truth shall set you free.
Simple.
You're not the final one.
You know, a lot of times you don't know what you can do until situation comes.
Happens.
Yeah. I have experienced it before. My very good friend, it was my friend, not guy to guy, you know. My friend, we got somewhere, apparently, you know, the young guys, so ladies can't date there. So we begin the farms, you know, say, who, you know, nobody say they toast the waves, yeah?
I know.
But it gets some things where they do, you know. So when you come out, your memory go see the babe's head.
I know.
You know that kind of thing. So the two of us, they form that kind of thing. But it could be like, say, I can't get upper hand. So you can't reach where the two of us can't, you know, argue, sort of. The guy slapped me, man. Woes me.
What did you go
in front of the ladies. You understand? I didn't believe myself. I walked away. I don't believe him. I believe say no be me walk. Because man, I just waka. But you see, to let you know, say no be me waka. When me and the guy come day together, when I remember the slap.
When I remember.
Wow. Invest you.
No, I slapped back.
You think about the
Truly, but for there, I waka come out.
Okay, but later you do the slap.
Honestly, you can't do one thing, but a private thing.
And you do and
That's so. God bless you.
Truly,
Brother Mike, the Lord be with you.
This is a lot of questions I go do. Me, I'll just walk away. Me, I'm walking person. I know how to deal with
embarrassment.
you. And even when you come out, if I go cook the best food for you, no wahala, chop am. If you're conscious, you allow you chop am.
If your conscience go let you chop that
Poison, rat poison.
No, don't go put poison, but if your mind carry you chop
Honestly.
I don't need to poison them.
Correct.
All right, thanks so much. Say you're inside our studio today. And we hope, say, once the video come out, now we're going to be the first person to play.
He did my mind like that.
Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you. We actually enjoy our time with you. What do you think?
Oh, yes, beautiful. I hope so the next video I will take time to display my Fuji.
All right, we actually need to buy a break now. When we come back, another guest will join us inside the studio. Now we will talk about sexual abuse and what we do to actually stop and for inside with Bodo Nigeria. Will they come back?
If you not just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.